What it do? What it do? What it do? I still ain't got my voice back on it, but I'm down with another review. And what do I got? A chicken Philly from this place called Crispy Grill on 60th. There we go. In Oklahoma. I have to tear this joint. Grab it. Mm-hmm. God damn. It's hot. Blackberry Dr. Pepper. Oh, this is disgusting. Okay. Into the sandwich. It's very hot. It's good. I wanted to eat it as soon as I got it, but it'd be dark in the car. Since it's dark in the car, the videos will look grainy, and I didn't want the videos to look grainy, so I just waited until I got home to eat it for you guys. But yeah, I think it's called Crispy Grill. 60th, I know it looks a little less appealing. On 60th in Oklahoma, on the Milwaukee South Side. This is disgusting. Let's try cherry. That's good. That is good. Ugh. But anywho, how everything going? $10 for the sandwich. Good for Philly. I still wish I'd have ate it when I first got it. It was about a 10-minute ride home, and the bread got a little wet. One thing I hate is wet bread. Wet bread is disappointing. Piece of the chicken. I don't know what kind of fucking jalapenos they put on here, but them motherfuckers hot. Yeah, look at that. I'm talking about my phone camera ain't clear. Somebody got an iPhone 12. Nigga, bye. iPhone 15 Pro Max, and these motherfucking jalapenos is burning my motherfucking throat up. I just want to do that to the microphone right there. You ever seen Ogre off Revenge of the Nerds? Remember him and Booker used to have burping contests? Excuse me though, but that's what they used to do. If it's from my age category, if you ever watched Revenge of the Nerds. Y'all see my little burger, fry, and shake shirt? Yep, I made that. Crispy Grill, the sandwich ain't bad, man. For the 10 at all. What kind of fucking jalapenos they use? Them jalapenos, boy. But this shit completely fire though. My nose running. They got these jalapenos from Satan himself. These jalapenos came from a dragon's farm. Ooh wee. Oh. They got these jalapenos out the volcano. These ain't no joy. These ain't no regular jalapenos right here. These the jalapenos they give you when you done sinned your whole life. I repent, baby. Please cool me down. Ooh, wait. These was from these nasty, hot, flaming dill pickle, whatever. Wonder where this fit in my ear. What do you guys think? Oh, we put a whole hot flaming in there, baby. What critic you seen do that? Close up. I'm sorry, bringing my light with me. I'll go back to doing videos in the car. I just don't want the videos just to be all grainy. Oh my gosh. I try to eat different shit on here all the time too. I don't mind eating some of the same stuff. Like you might see me eat tons of McDonald's, but lately I haven't been eating a lot of McDonald's. We're talking about McDonald's. I'm due for a good 20 piece. I will eat some McDonald's nuggets, dog. Wasn't bad. Piece of chicken left. Crispy chicken grill. I think that was the name of it. It was fire. Mm. You just eat that Cheeto out of his ear? Sure did. Deuces, y'all.